Good morning, officer. I'd like to report a car accident that happened yesterday evening.
Good morning. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me exactly what happened?
Yes, I was driving home from work around 6:45 p.m. at the intersection of Main Street and 7th Avenue. Another car ran a red light and hit the front passenger side of my car.
I see. Were you or anyone else injured in the accident?
Fortunately, I wasn't seriously injured. I have a small bruise on my shoulder, but no one else was in the car, and the other driver didn't seem hurt either.
That's good to hear. Can you describe the other vehicle involved?
Yes, it was a blue Honda Civic, 2019 model. The license plate number was ABC 5678.
All right. Did you notice the driver of the other vehicle?
Yes, it was a man in his 30s, wearing a gray jacket and sunglasses. He appeared calm, but I didn't get much more information about him.
Did anyone witness the accident?
Yes, a few pedestrians were nearby, and a driver waiting at the traffic light saw it happen. I have their contact information.
Perfect. That will help with the investigation. Did you take any photos of the accident scene or the damages?
Yes, I took photos of both cars, the intersection, and the skid marks on the road.
Excellent. Did you exchange insurance information with the other driver?
Yes, I got his name, phone number, and insurance details.
Great. Can you provide your full information as well? Name, address, phone number, and insurance.
Sure. My name is Sarah Johnson. I live at 120 Oak Street, Springfield. My phone number is 555-234-5678. My car insurance is with Green Shield, policy number GS87654321.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. Did you notice any traffic signs or signals that were malfunctioning at the intersection?
No, the traffic lights were working fine. I'm sure the other driver simply ran the red light.
All right. Did you or the other driver block traffic after the accident?
No, we moved the cars to the side to avoid obstructing traffic.
That's good. Were the police called immediately after the accident, or did you come here first?
I called 911 right after the accident. An officer came to the scene, took some preliminary notes, and then advised me to come to the station to file a formal report.
Understood. Did the officer provide you with an incident or report number at the scene?
Yes, the incident number is 202604567.
Perfect. That will help us link your formal report to the initial response.
Will the report affect my insurance claim?
Yes. Your insurance company usually requires an official police report to process claims. Once we file this report, you can request a signed copy for your records.
That's good to know. How long does it take for the report to be available to the insurance company?
Usually it's available the same day or the next day. We can provide an electronic copy or a printed one.
Great. Can you tell me what happens next?
Our officers will review the report, check the accident scene notes, and may contact witnesses for additional statements. If there's a dispute, we may investigate further.
Okay. What if the other driver denies running the red light?
That's why witness statements and photos are important. Skid marks, traffic cameras, and your photos will help determine what happened.
I see. Is there a possibility of the driver getting a ticket?
Yes. If it's determined that the driver ran a red light, they may receive a traffic citation or be liable for damages.
All right. Should I keep my damaged car at home or should I tow it?
If your car isn't drivable, it's best to tow it to a repair shop. Take photos before towing for documentation.
Okay. I already arranged a tow truck for this morning.
Perfect. Were there any traffic cameras at the intersection?
Yes, I think the city installed cameras last month. They might have recorded the accident.
That will help us verify the events. We'll request the footage as part of our investigation.
That's very reassuring. Can I check the status of my report online?
Yes, we have an online portal. You'll need your incident number and last name to access updates.
Great. Should I inform my insurance about the other driver's insurance now?
Yes, it's a good idea to contact both insurance companies as soon as possible. Provide them with the report number and photos.
Will I need to appear in court?
Usually for minor accidents, you may not need to appear, but if the case escalates or disputes arise, you may be called to provide a statement.
Understood. Are there any precautions I should take while driving in that intersection in the future?
Always approach intersections cautiously. Watch for drivers who may run red lights and be prepared to stop even if you have a green light.
Thank you. Is there anything else I should do right now?
Just make sure you provide all the necessary information, witness contacts, photos, insurance details, and file this report. That's it.
I've already gathered everything. Thank you for your help, officer.
You're welcome, Miss Johnson. Filing a detailed report is very important for insurance and legal purposes. Stay safe on the road.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.